Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So guys, we are going to solve these problems. These are for level 4 or even level 5. So guys, let's solve these two problems and see what we get. So for the first, these are actually for numbers and also for fractions. And we use the principle which we call it Bodmas. So let me write Bodmas somewhere. But before I do that, guys, this is our solution for this problem. And here is the solution for this problem. So let's do them both and see what happens. So we are going to use what we call Bodmas. Let me write here Bodmas. And I believe by this stage, all of you are aware what is Bodmas. So let me do the first question and then I go to the next. So I can do this one first. And then I do this one, then I divide this by this. Whatever result I find here, I divide. So here we are going to begin with the first one, which is 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 5. And then instead of writing 3 over 4, guys, I can do it directly here because now off is the first one. Bracket off. So this is where we are now. So this one I can write it as 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So it is 7 over 2. So here is negative 3 over 4 times 7 over 2. This one now gives us, guys, 21 all over, what I can say, maybe I could do it here. That would be 3 over 4 multiplied by 7 over 2. So this one we get 21 all over 8. So that's what I will write here, 21 all over 8. I continue, guys, with now division. For the division, I invert or I find the reciprocal of this number, 2 over 5, which we are going to have it as 5 over 2. So this one will now be equal to, guys, it will now be equal to 1 over 6. We multiply by now 5 over 2. So this gives us 5 all over, that is 5 over 12. That is, if you make it times, this 5 is going to go up, 2 is going to go down. So we are going to get that value. So now, guys, we have here 5 over 12. Now we minus 21 over 8. So this one is going to give us, we find the LCM for that is 24. 24 divided by 12 is 2 times 5, that is 10, minus 24 divided by 8 is 3, multiplied by that it will come to 63. Like that, guys. So finally, this is going to give us, negative 53 all over 24. So that is for the numerator. This one was for numerator. For the numerator, we now come, we can give it this one as Roman 1 there and Roman 2. So this is Roman 1. We come to the Roman 2 now, guys. And this is how we do it. We come and say, Bodmas, we have only division is the first one. So this one we shall do it as we continue. So we shall get 37 all over 120. Now, minus, I do this first one, guy. And this is how I do it. will be negative 1 over 5 now multiplied by 4 over 1. So this one comes to negative 4 over 5. So I can write here negative 4 all over 5 like that. Then times 1/3. So from there, guys, now we go to multiplication. We go to multiplication now. So this one is going to be 7 all over 120 minus, we multiply this, we get 4 over 15. So after that, guys, we can now say this is going to be equal to, we put a dash there. The LCM for that is 120. 120 divided by 120 is 37 minus 120 divided by 15 is 8 times 4 is 32. So guys, we are going to have here our answer for the denominator. It is going to be 5 all over 120. So guys, now we have our Roman 2. So we divide now the denominator and the numerator. The numerator, we divide denominator by the numerator. So this one is going to be, the numerator is negative 53 all over 24. We divide that by 5 all over 120. If we rearrange that, we are going to have negative 53. Then we have 24 will go down here as a denominator. And then 5 will remain here, while 120 will go up here. So now we divide that. So when we divide that, guys, we shall have by 5, 1 by 5, that is 24. Then by 24, by 24. So we get negative 53. So guys, our solution is going to be now negative. You can write here negative 53 as we have seen up there. So that is our solution for that. So guys, let's go to the next question and see what we get. We can now divide this into 2 like this. You can divide here. So that now, guys, we can look for this side. So for this side, guys, we shall come and start again with this, what we call the Bodmas, so that we can focus on that. Here, guys, we have division first, so we can divide that, so that as we put here, we will already have divided negative 32. We start with the numerator, then we go to the denominator. So this one is going to be minus 32 divided by 8. That will be minus 4 plus 27 times 4 minus 2 times 12. So from the division, we go to multiplication. So this is how it's going to be, guys. We multiply this and that. So we shall have minus 4. 27 times 4. That will give us, we can actually do it here. 27 times 4, that is 28, carry 2, 8, 108. So that one is 108 plus 108 like that. Minus now 2 times 12 is 24. Guys, we can do this one. This is going to give us minus 4 minus 28. 24 is minus 28. So this is 108 minus 28. So this guy will this will give us, you put 28 there, you will first have 0, and then you have 9 minus 8, 10 minus 2, it is 8. So on the upper side, guys, we have 80. So let's go on the denominator. For the denominator, so this one was Roman 1, and then we go to Roman 2. For the Roman 2, we are going to have, first we multiply, because according to the Bodmas multiplication, the first one, this multiplication. So this one will get 30, then minus now 14. So this one will give us, guys, this will give us, that is 30 divided by minus 14 will be 26. That is 16. 16 like that, guys. So now, guys, we can now divide this. So when we divide, we shall get 80 all over 16. So guys, our solution here is going to be, actually is going to be 5. So I can actually correct myself, guys, that this one was supposed to be a plus, because I don't see where we've made any mistake. If we can start here, we have minus 4 here, then here we have 27 times 4. This is now going to be minus 24 there. Here we have plus 108. Here we have minus 4. So if we do that, it will be 108 minus 28 is 80. So the upper side is 80. And the underside is going to be 30 minus 14, 16. So this is our answer, guys. Sorry for the small mistake I have made on that. This is supposed to be plus. So this one now gives us 5. So guys, we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening to me, and that's how we do it, guys. So guys, in level 4, all things are possible, and I wish you success. Even when you start small, you end up being big. So the word of God says, do not despise the days of small beginning. So thank you, guys.